Hi guys, I have here 2019 Rav4 with 35,000 kilometers, and there's a check engine light, and I scanned the code is engine oil pressure sensor, signal stock and range, and engine oil pressure too low. And when I drive the vehicle, there's a jerking. So let's find out. Engine low oil pressure, and then there's a knocking noise, and I open the engine oil pan. Look, it's a metal debris in the oil pan, so it must be need a new engine.
Man needs help.
It's connecting rod is knocking noise. (2019) Rav4 issue is engine oil pressure is not is zero, and there's a knocking noise, and I change right now. I already changed the engine, so I already changed the engine assembly under warranty. Now the engine oil pressure is working good. Everything is working good right now. Before, when I doing a diagnose, and there's a check engine light on this car, and the oil sensor is the code. So I opened firstly I swapped the oil sensor, oil pressure sensor, and same thing. And then I opened the oil pan, and I found metal debris on the oil pan, and I checked the connecting rod. All is already loose, and there's a play. So I decided to replace the engine assembly under Toyota warranty, and right now is everything is working fine. Engine is quiet, and there's no check engine light. All right, bye bye.